Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, Lufthansa travel insurance. Well, Lufthansa travel insurance is offered during checkout from its website here in the USA. Have you ever wondered if it's good value, or did you just click the box and hope you were covered? Well, Lufthansa travel insurance is twice as expensive as its competitors. It has very weak coverage, and there are much better options available. We like Lufthansa as an airline, particularly for its European short-haul coverage. Its long-haul fleet has gotten tired, but Lufthansa has worked hard to update and improve. Certainly, a direct trip from the USA to Germany is worth experiencing with Lufthansa. Well, let's look at a San Fran to Munich trip. We love Munich. It is one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. It sits in the foothills of the mountains of Bavaria. Great food, wonderful beer, hospitable people. We looked at a flight departing in May, which is one of our favourite times of the year in Bavaria. Now, at Lufthansa checkout page for our flight for $1,320, Lufthansa travel insurance is offered. Actually, it's referred to as an international air ticket plan. Now, that just sets alarm bells off. It's telling us that this probably does not have the sort of coverage that we would expect to see in a regular travel insurance product. And when we check it out, that is exactly what we see. It's really poor coverage. For example, only $10,000 in accident, sickness, medical expense. Well, that's just not enough. I mean, we struggle to find a policy that AARDY offers less than $100,000 in medical expense coverage. So that's just one example, but the Lufthansa travel insurance plan is littered with the same weak coverage across the board. It's bad enough that Lufthansa travel insurance has poor coverage, but to make it then twice as expensive as a better trip insurance just seems plain wrong. So we ran the same trip quote on AARDY Compare for some of our carriers, all top US insurers. And remember that the Lufthansa travel insurance quoted at $76. Well, Roam Right Essential comes in at $37, ITI Travel Lite at $42, and TII Worldwide Trip Protector Lite comes in at $43. Now, these plans are half the price of the Lufthansa travel insurance, yet all offer much better value. So personally, in this instance, we would have taken the ITI Travel Lite. That's $250,000 of medical evacuation versus $20,000 from Lufthansa, and $100,000 of medical sickness versus $10,000 from Lufthansa. So better coverage and half the price. And the RTI policy offers coverage if your vacation is cancelled by your employer. The Lufthansa policy has no such coverage. So this is why it makes sense to shop around when looking for Lufthansa travel insurance. There are great options to choose from. Now, we're all familiar with Amazon. Now think of us at AARDY as Amazon for travel insurance. So comparison shopping is easy. And at AARDY Compare, we make comparing travel insurance really easy. You do not need to go to every single insurance carrier. You do not need to leave your contact details with every trip provider. At AARDY, we typically look to compare around 30 different insurance plans for our customers. Now, most of these plans can be divided into silver, gold, or platinum types of coverage, as we did above. Silver is basic, gold is normal, platinum has more coverage. Platinum would tend to incorporate cancel for work and cancel for any reason benefits. So when buying trip insurance, which should you choose? Well, that's the beauty of insurance comparison. You get to see all the best prices in the market, and you won't find the same trip insurance plan available at a better price, because price certainty is guaranteed as a result of anti-discriminatory insurance law in the US. A travel insurance marketplace like AARDY Compare will offer a multitude of different plans from some of the most respected travel insurance carriers in the country. You will only need a few minutes to check value for money, coverage, and insurance carrier ratings. Safe travels and enjoy Germany.